Hi everyone. This is your last assignment before you go on spring break. Basically, I want you to do a more complete leave behind presentation. Now you all know what you want to do. You have an estimate of the price. If you have found that what you want to do is like $400 and there's no way you're going to spend that kind of money on it, then don't do it. I mean, think of this in a reasonable way. So for this next assignment, for this leave behind presentation assignment, I want you to, one, do a mock-up of your leave behind. For example, Brittany has already done that with, she's going to do a magnet. And look, she just put the logo on the white magnet. It looks amazing. It looks totally real. So I want to see that. I want to see like a little description of the intention. I want to see all of the pricing, what's it would entail. For example, if you want to get a mug, how much is the mug? How much is it to put your logo on there? Are you just going to give them a mug, or are you going to get a box? How much is the box? Where are you going to get it? Are you going to get it with your logo on it? Are you going to do that too? You're going to get a ribbon. So give me a realistic price breakdown and not like a loose estimate like $25. So, and then after you get all the content and your final decisions made, I want this to look like a professional presentation. I want you to be consistent with type. I want you to align things. I don't want to see widows or hyphens. I want a nice, clean document like you did with the standards guide, which is going to be due the same day. So all those comments I made for the standards guide, keep that in mind when you put this together. Right? And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.